Student, I, Soumen sir, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to learn an important topics, bed of a central lathe is made of cast iron. Justify it. This is the figure of a lathe. This is the bed portion. This is the separate picture of bed. The bed of the central lathe is subjected to heavy load and withstand excessive vibration due to cutting forces. Bed is a large horizontal structure used to support other parts of a lathe like headstock, tailstock, carriage, etc. Also, force applied on lathe bed like headstock, tailstock, saddle and moving table. Also, frictional force due to rubbing at sliding surface, this sliding surface like tailstock, saddle are the sliding unit. So, the bed material should have high compressive strength, should be wear resistance and absorb vibration. Cast iron has a very damping capacity. Cast iron can withstand more compressive load and resist vibration. Therefore, cast iron alloyed with nickel and chromium form a good material suitable for lathe bed is justified. Okay, thank you.